In this video, I will show you how to create a bubble stitch. Bubbles are made by working several open treble crochet stitches into the same stitch or chain space and then closing them together as one stitch. I will be using a 3mm crochet hook and a super fine weight yarn such as DMC Happy Cotton. To begin, we will make a treble crochet. So we'll wrap our yarn around the hook and then insert the hook into the next stitch or space. Wrap the yarn around the hook again and pull it through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through the first 2 loops. And instead of finishing this stitch, we're going to start again. So wrap our yarn around our hook, insert into the same space, catch the yarn and pull through. We now have 4 loops on our hook. Wrap the yarn round, pull through the first 2. So you can see this was our first incomplete treble crochet and our second. We're going to do this again. Pull through the first 2 loops only, and there you will see 3. Pull through the first 2 loops again, and we're going to complete one last stitch. And pull through the first 2 loops. So you'll see we have 6 loops on our hook. 1 is for each open treble crochet and 1 is for the starting chain. We're going to wrap our yarn around our hook and pull through all 6 stitches. And you've completed your bubble stitch. We're going to work a double crochet into the next stitch and work this one quite tight. This is how you work your bubble stitch.